This be demonstration. The food we dey sell for canteen. Today afternoon. It be this. People wey they believe say.
For that they take it.
People wey they believe say rubber rice day, you know. This be the proof for you. See, rice where you mia, your palm inside they clean, nothing. You need to feel anything for your palm. See, rice. The way they cook say human being for chop. This one, if you go enter your intestine inside.
And I hope you palm me see.
How many? See, nothing. I know they weigh anything. No. How long this rice go dey your stomach inside before you go to digest? It be this. You really believe. See, they bounce. Food, rice. You chop this thing, you no go die quick. Before you go say no, gone too soon. What a shock. Fry and bake. Yo. So you don't eat pussy. You dey believe say rubber rice day. It didn't be this. It didn't. This is it. Oh, this is it. Rubber rice. Rubber rice. Rice ball. This is rice ball. Proper rice ball.
Fried bake must go. It must go.
Yo, thank you.
You are clean as they must go.
Mega present.
And the same one.